Quantity versus quality. How often should you post on social media? There is so much advice online on how often to post on social media. Some people think you should post as often as possible, while others think it's better to post less often but with high quality content. So, what's the right answer? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. The ideal posting frequency will depend on your audience, your goals, and the platform you're using. Here are some general principles that can help you strike the right balance between quantity and quality. The importance of understanding your audience. Before you decide how often to post, it's essential to understand your audience. Each social media platform attracts people with different preferences and behaviors. So, research and analyze your target audience to understand their online habits. Look out for information such as their age, interests, and the social media platforms they use. This will help you create content that your audience will like and engage with. The benefits of posting frequently. There are several benefits to posting frequently on social media. First, it helps you maintain a consistent presence online. This is important because it makes your followers more likely to remember you and keep coming back for more of your content. So when you drop a post asking them to buy a product or service, it doesn't seem strange. Your followers will see it as part of your content and engage with the content. Second, posting frequently can help you increase your visibility within the platform's algorithm. The more audience your content can reach, the more chances for you to grow your business online. The importance of quality content. While frequent posting has benefits, don't reduce the quality of your content. Content marketing is important if you want to grow your business in today's world. So, you must always work on improving the quality of your content. If you focus too much on quantity, you may end up sacrificing the quality of your posts, and this will affect your content strategy negatively. It can reduce people's engagement with your posts, and you might even lose followers. Create high-quality content that is also relevant to your audience. This means no matter the amount of content you create, it must be engaging. You also need to make sure that your content is consistent with your brand style, color, font, voice, etc. Consider the platform you are using. Every platform has unique features that affect the frequency of your posts on the platform. You must constantly find out new information about how often you should post on social media. And research shows that it's always changing. Facebook. 1 post per day is good. You can do 2 posts max. According to HubSpot, engagement drops by 50% for most businesses that post more than once per day. The sweet spot is to post at least 3 times a week. The frequency is the same if you are posting on Facebook groups. Twitter. This is a fast-paced platform where users see new content almost every second. The lifespan of a tweet is very short, so you need to tweet more to get the attention of your audience. Some businesses do like 100 tweets every day, but between 10 and 30 tweets per day are enough to get some people to react to your tweets. Instagram. Instagram is a visual platform, so your content has to compete with a lot of other images and videos for attention. So you had better make your content super good. Post 1 or 2 times per day, and at least 3 to 4 times a week. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a more professional platform, so most of its users are more concerned with the quality of your content. Go with 1 post per day and at least 3 posts in a week. Doing this could stop some of your content from reaching your target audience. Let there be at least a space of 3 hours between every post except with Twitter, which can have less interval time. In the quantity versus quality debate, finding the right balance to post on social media is crucial to succeeding on social media. Know your audience, post often, and make sure your content is good. Adjust your posting frequency based on the platform and your audience. Keep testing, adapting, and refining your strategy based on how your audience responds. Focus on creating high-quality content that is relevant to your audience. It's not just about how many times you post, but about posting content that is valuable and engaging.